Hi Bananas, welcome to my DIY. I'm K Young, as in Young Forever. And in today's DIY, I will be doing 7 DIYs for my grandchildren. Yes, I have 7 grandchildren, 7 wonderful, beautiful grandchildren, and I'll be doing a DIY for them. I'm actually doing their Easter basket. They don't celebrate Easter, but as long as they get it before Easter or after Easter. So I wanted to do it before. And I am sorry, guys. I am late. I know I'm late. I didn't even know that Sunday was Easter Sunday. But anyway, before I start, guys, I'd like to do a positive vibes before I go into my DIY. And it goes like this. Good things come to those who believe. Better things come to those who are patient. And the best thing come to those who don't give up. Okay? I know we're going through a trial now because of the COVID-19. But guys, please stay safe. We're trying to keep down this pandemic so it don't get any worse than it is. And guys, don't forget, if you like this video, please give me a thumb up, subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell. Every time I upload the video, you'll be the first to know. So with all said, let's get into our DIY. Okay guys, so this is what I'm talking about. These I got from the Dollar Tree. I mean, I had more, but Sister K had to return it. So these I got from the Dollar Tree. Now look at these for 98 cents. Look, these are 98 cents. See? And then I get my little princess because I have a little girl. Okay guys, so let's get into it. First we're gonna start with a girl and Kenny. I got her ear pins. I got her these. These are cute. I got her these. I got her a kite. I don't know if they can do kite. But I got her a kite. A frozen kite. Where you come from? I got her a, it's a tattoo, frozen tattoo. I got her some glow headband. Glow headband. Okay guys, so this is my first basket so far. I think I'm gonna wrap it, I believe. I'm not sure. But this one, I don't think I'm gonna wrap it, but we'll see. We'll see. So that's the first basket. I got a twin, This harmony, these are from the Dollar Tree. Oh, I can put it in all. Okay. I got them some kite as well. So these are, we got a recording flat tour book. You know, these little things that they used to have in school. They glow in the dark. Supposed to be. Glow in the dark trending. This is it. Game. And you have a horseshoe game. I mean, and I see the Dollar Tree having basket like for $9. Hey, come on, man. Come on, $9 for a basket. Really? I don't think so. Not on my budget. I got him some toothbrush. These are from Dollar Tree. I love these. They're just little and cute. I got these slimes. The mama gonna kill me. So I believe the twins are finished. So these are the twins. Yeah. We're gonna put these aside. So we have the girl, Miracle, the twin, Ananias and Nazarias, the twins. believe me, sometimes I can't call it in. Sometimes I don't even know them different. This is for the big one. Some little for Michelle. And then we have Tobias. But Tobias gonna kill me. Cause okay, I think I wanted to Tobias can get, I got this toothbrush here. Spin 3 different colors. And I got a slimy. Oh, I'm missing a kite for Tobias. So guys, I have to go back and get me a kite because there is no kite. I got me some scented marker, but I believe these are for girls. What do you think, guys? Oh God, I think these are for girls. I got these at Walmart. I was just saying it's a little fun. I'm gonna give Tobias, I'm gonna give Malachi this. And Tobias this. I'm missing Tobias kite. And he has this little flute thing. So Tobias gonna need a kite. So these are my basket, guys, for my grandchildren. And they cost me less than $9. Well, the bucket come from the Dollar Tree. So we're talking about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Almost. Alrighty, guys. So if you like any of these buckets, just leave me a comment down the bottom. And if you like this DIY, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your notification button,